Today's topic for discussion is antibiotics. The use of antibiotics in management of the disease. Let us see all the details. Antibiotics, these are the substances that are produced by the microorganisms, and these substances are toxic to other pathogenic microorganisms. Hence, the antibiotics are the products of fungi, bacteria, and actinomycetes. The antibiotics are prepared from living organisms, that is, fungi, bacteria are involved. The penicillin is the antibiotic that is isolated from a fungus which is known as Penicillium species, which is harmful and toxic against many pathogenic bacteria and fungal genera, which causes many plant diseases or seed deterioration. The structure of antibiotics are complex and are not related with other in any sense. Let us see next slide. A broad spectrum of antibiotics is tried to control the plant diseases which are caused by fungi and bacteria. Antibiotics used for plant diseases are generally absorbed and translocated systematically by the plant. The important antibiotics which are commonly used for the control of plant diseases are streptomycin, tetracycline, griseofulvin, cyclohexamide and aureofungin. These are the antibiotics which are used against the diseases of plants which are caused by fungi and bacteria. The first antibiotic used for the plant disease control was gliotoxin, that was isolated and purified by the plant pathologist before the discovery of penicillin. Next, let us see the details of streptomycin. It is an antibiotic. Let us see all the details. Streptomycin is produced by actinomycete, that is known as Streptomyces griseus. It is sold under different names in market. It is the trade names of this streptomycin is agrimycin, phytomycin or streptomycin sulfate, etc. These are the different trade names of streptomycin type of antibiotics which is used in the management of the disease. This antibiotic is used against broad range of bacterial pathogens such as Xanthomonas citri, which causes citrus canker disease, Xanthomonas compastris, which causes blight disease of walnut, and Xanthomonas compastris form species versicatoria, which causes leaf spot of tomato and pepper. This antibiotic also controls Pseudomonas fasciolila, which causes halo blight of bean, and Erwinia, it is again a bacterium which causes a plant disease. And streptomycin is also used as soil drench. Streptomycin antibiotic is also used as a dip for potato seed pieces against various bacterial rots of tubers and as a seed disinfectant against bacterial pathogens of bean, cotton, crucifer seeds, cereals, etc. Streptomycin is also effective against several plant pathogenic fungi. Next, this is the aureofungin, which is also extensively used for the management of the plant disease. It is one of the most popular antifungal antibiotic which are produced by Streptoverticillium cinnamomum and varieties terricola. It belongs to group heptanes and is therefore distinct. Its characteristic feature is that it is absorbed when applied as spray or given to the root as a solution. Thus, it is translocated and can be detected in other parts of the plant. This has been detected by both by bioassay method and by spectrophotometry. It is highly effective against a large number of plant pathogenic fungi. Hence, the aureofungin is used throughout the world in large scale. Its absorption by plant is easy and it is easily translocated to all parts of the plant after spray. It controls the diseases like citrus gummosis, which is caused by Phytophthora species. Great loss due to gummosis of citrus occurs in India every year, which is effectively controlled by Oreofungin. Next. Agrawal, one of pathologist Agrawal in 1970, he has reported 100 ppm concentration of Oreofungin against pathogen which is known as Podosphaera leukotricha, which causes powdery mildew disease of apple. According to Dr. Benedict, the translocation of Oreofungin is of systemic nature, which can eliminate the endophytic fungi without harm to the host cells. The plant diseases which can be effectively controlled by Oreofungin are downy mildew, powdery mildew, anthracnose of grapes, etc. These diseases can be effectively controlled by the use of Oreofungin. The action of Oreofungin is systemic, hence it is used to eradicate seed-borne mycoflora. Eradication of Helminthosporium from the rice seeds can be done by treatment of Oreofungin. Next, it also controls pyricularia on rice and ragi, mango rot which is caused by diploidia that also be controlled by use of antibiotic Oreofungin, and tomato fruit rot by alternaria, peach rot of sclerotia, pythium rot of cucurbit, blue mold rot of apple, stripe disease of barley caused by Helminthosporium, etc. can be controlled by the use of antibiotic Oreofungin.